There you go.
Bubbles, you couldn't be patient.
I would say mentally I am not well.
He's gonna make it.
They're really stupid. They don't know how to actually in the car, and the person goes to
Let me. It's you.
Next.
The choice is yours.
That's so cool. It's water that has bubbles.
I said no.
You can't even. What are you hitting him with? You have no other arm.
Round him up, cowboy. Okay, no.
A-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo.
You're gonna fall.
What?
Why you sit on?
Oh my God!
Careful. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, she's not. Oh, so sorry. Comet, I love you. Oh, those are my Cheetos! What are you doing?
So let me in, open your house, I'm just
Said behave. What do you mean no?
May I have your smelly bird?
Hey, spicy.
Hi.
Thumb.
Nobody once told me the word.
Aquí, amiga.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Oh no!
Oh my goodness. Как тигр делает? Ох.
This is Lear.
No, 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 Luna, Luna, no! Oh my God!
You're under arrest. Put your hands up. Under arrest.
Wait, this tastes like some medicine. Ah!
High five.
Yo.
Shimmy.
My cat fucking stuck in the fucking floor. Get. Oh, she really stuck, dude.
To you too.
That is absolute.
How does one sleep in this position? I just don't get it.
Banana.
my best friend that night. It was the devil. Goose.
Oh my god. Empty.
Two times.
And then you started cleaning yourself with your gross, stinky little gross breath.
Excuse me? Excuse me? What está pasando, muñeco? Hey. Oh, did she say hi? Hey. Hey.
As a crackhead, the first time we introduce you to the cat we have, you're gonna actually.
Where's the catnip?
Ağzını açtı değil mi salak? Ağzını açtı.